Okay, welcome to part 2 of the comparison video. First thing you do is draw our circle. Because you're doing comparison, right, and you're doing differences, so you have two circles for this part. So where's my two circles? What is my main topic that I came out just now? My main topic that came out just now is the impact of fire plants. Because fire plants is the question, right? They ask you about fire plants. So impact on the fire plants. Okay, I've narrowed it down to the impact on the Russian people. On actually the Russian people, on their lives, their welfare, their well-being, right? So on the Russian people, okay, so from the first source, right, first source meaning source C, over here source C, right? So from source C we need to do two, because both of them have different influences. Okay, on source C, impact is actually negative. Okay, you have your negative impact. Okay, then you just briefly point from what are the main evidences. You have swollen bellies, hearts, one room. Okay, swollen bellies, hearts, and 9 people, one room. So my main evidence is my swollen bellies. Swollen bellies, and 9 people in one room. Okay, now what exactly is my explanation? So my explanation, what I annotated here, right? Okay, malnutrition, overcrowding, uncomfortable. Okay, malnutrition, they are probably experiencing malnutrition. They are probably uncomfortable. There's probably poverty, and there's overcrowding. So all these are my own words. Okay, these things here are actually my own words that I derive from the evidence itself. Okay, so can I see? So my circle is complete now. Okay, evidence but swollen bellies. This implies that they are malnourished, uncomfortable, they're living in poverty, overcrowding. All these things are actually negative impacts on people, right? And therefore, I have explained my point properly, that there's a negative impact. Okay, so because this is a comparison, I will need to do the other side as well. So again, impact on Russian people. This is my other source. This is from my source D, right? In this case, is positive. Okay, how do I know it's positive? Because I can see here financial independence, public works, education, health, education, financial independence, health, education, financial independence. Okay, what does this imply? Basically, go back to my annotation again. Peace, there's peace, right? And there's well-being taken care of. People are joyful. People can fulfill their potential. Right, so they're joyful, well-being taken care of, is peaceful, and their needs are taken care of as well. So there's a chance for them to prosper because financial independence, right? So all these things will actually link back to a positive impact on the people, which is what is my criteria. So the purpose of these two circles, right, is to make it clear on your explanation, is to help you check that you do not leave anything from your explanation. You use your own words, and that your explanation will be very clear in the link back to your main point, which is what you're trying to convince the marker about. Okay, so based on these two things, then you can clearly see that you can write your paragraph down. So how will it look like?